You need to hear this right now. Do you have this wheat penny? It's currently valued at a record $690,000 today, because what I'm about to say could literally change the way you look at every single coin in your pocket. On Secrets of US Coins, we're exposing hidden wealth that people are accidentally spending every single day. And today, we're talking about the top 3 most valuable wheat pennies rare coins. Do not spend these coins. I'm serious. These coins are a silent fortune, a hidden treasure. And if you miss the tiny details, you could be throwing away life-changing money without even knowing it. Check your pocket now. Check your jar. Check that old drawer, because these old coins are big treasures, and secret collectors are fighting to get their hands on them. Nobody talks about these, but today, you're about to see the truth. And listen carefully. Each coin gets bigger, rarer, and more shocking. Stay till the end, because what's coming might be sitting in your home right now. Now imagine this. You're holding a simple-looking penny, worn, old, maybe even a little dirty, with dark green spots on both sides. Nothing special at first glance. But what if I told you this exact coin could be worth over $120,000? Yeah, this is not fiction. This is real auction shock. This is the 1955 wheat penny with no mint mark. And this coin is dangerous to ignore. There's something about the year 1955 that most people don't realize. America was shifting, growing fast, industries booming, pressure building in production lines. The US Mint was pushing out massive numbers of coins to keep up with demand. Machines were running hard, dies were wearing down, and under that pressure, small differences started to appear. Not errors, but subtle characteristics, the kind collectors obsess over. And right in the middle of all that, this quiet little coin was born. When you look at this wheat penny, you'll see Abraham Lincoln on the front. Calm, serious, facing right. In God we trust. Above him, liberty on the left, and the date 1955 stamped on the right. And here's the detail that changes everything. There is no mint mark. That means it was struck in Philadelphia, but don't brush that off. Because in certain conditions, with certain surfaces and survival patterns, that absence becomes powerful. Flip it over, and you see those iconic wheat stalks on both sides, framing the words 1 cent and United States of America. At the top, a pluribus unum. It looks ordinary. It feels ordinary. But it's not. This coin is a silent fortune. Now let's talk about the physical feel, because collectors don't just look, they feel. This coin weighs about 3.11 grams. Its diameter is 19 millimeters, with a thickness of around 1.52 millimeters. It's made mostly of copper, about 95% copper, with small amounts of tin and zinc. That composition gives it that warm tone, but over time, something happens. Those dark green spots you see, most people think that ruins the coin. They think it's damage. They think it's worthless. That's where people lose money. Because original surfaces, natural aging, untouched toning, that's what serious collectors want. That green oxidation, when it's stable and original, can actually prove the coin hasn't been cleaned or messed with. And that is everything. Listen carefully. Never clean this coin. Never. The second you try to improve it, you destroy its history, and its value drops like a rock. Collectors don't want shiny. They want real. They want untouched. They want original. Now here's where it gets intense. Survival. Millions of these coins were made. But how many survived in extra fine condition with original surfaces? Very few. Most were spent, worn down, lost, or damaged. Every year more disappear. Supply is shrinking, but demand, it's rising fast. Collectors are not just buying these, they're holding them, locking them away, waiting, because they know what's coming. Quiet auctions, aggressive bidding, people who don't blink before dropping serious money. Because to them, this isn't just a coin, this is a hidden treasure. This is quiet wealth. This is a life-changing opportunity. And today's market value, around $120,500 in extra fine condition with the right look, the right surfaces, the right story. That's not pocket change. That's serious money. That's the kind of money people dream about, sitting in a coin that looks completely ordinary. So what should you check? Look at the date. 1955, look for no mint mark. Study the surface. Is it original, or does it look cleaned and unnatural? Those dark green spots, are they part of natural aging or corrosion that's been damaged? These tiny details, they change everything. And if you think you found one, don't guess. Get it professionally graded. That's how collectors trust it. That's how value becomes real. But most important, do not spend this coin. I don't care how normal it looks. Do not spend it. Because people are doing that every single day. Losing silent fortunes without even realizing it. And if you think this is big, what comes next is even bigger. The next coin, collectors are fighting for it on another level, rarer, more shocking, and even more dangerous to ignore. Stay with me, because you are not ready for what's coming next. You're about to see something most people will never notice. And that's exactly why they keep losing money every single day. This coin looks harmless. Just another old wheat penny with a little green on it. Maybe even something you'd ignore or toss aside. But that's the trap. Because this right here, this 1,951 wheat penny with a D mint mark in extra fine condition is a silent fortune hiding in plain sight. And if you don't pay attention, you could spend it like it's nothing. This is not fiction. This is real. And this coin is dangerous to ignore. Go back to 1951 for a second. America was deep in a post-war transition. The Korean War had just begun. Industries were under pressure again, metal demand was rising, and the U.S. Mint was working hard to keep coins flowing into circulation. Denver was one of the busiest mints at the time, pushing out massive numbers of pennies to meet demand across the country. But when machines run hard, when dies strike over and over again under pressure, something happens. Subtle differences, slight variations. Coins that look normal to everyone else, but to collectors, they stand out like hidden gold. Now hold this coin in your mind. Abraham Lincoln on the front, facing right. Calm but powerful. In God we trust. Above him, liberty to the left, and the date 1951 stamped clearly on the right. And right under that date, that small but powerful letter D, that Denver Mint mark. That single letter changes everything. Because collectors know certain Denver-struck coins from this era, especially in higher condition with original surfaces, are getting harder and harder to find. Flip it over and you see those wheat stalks wrapping around the edges, strong, bold, framing 1 cent and United States of America with a pluribus unum sitting above. It feels simple. It feels common. But it's not. This coin is a hidden treasure. Now here's where most people mess up. The surface. Those green spots on both the front and the back, most people panic when they see that. They think it's damage. They think it kills the value. So what do? They clean it. They scrub it. They try to make it look new. And in that moment, they destroy a fortune. Listen carefully. Never clean this coin. Never. Because those green tones, when they're natural, are part of the coin's story. That's oxidation from its copper composition. About 95% copper with small traces of tin and zinc. Over decades, that copper reacts. It ages. It develops character. And collectors love that. That original toning proves the coin hasn't been messed with. It proves authenticity. It proves survival. And survival, that's the real story here. Millions of 1,951D pennies were minted. But how many survived in extra-fine condition with original surfaces, sharp details, and untouched toning? Very few. Most were spent, worn down, scratched, cleaned, or lost forever. Every year, fewer remain. And that's why demand keeps rising. When you actually hold one, it feels solid, about 3.11 grams in weight, around 19 millimeters in diameter, with a thickness of roughly 1.52 millimeters. It's small, but don't let that fool you. This coin carries serious money. This coin is quiet wealth. Collectors are watching these closely, and when one shows up at auction in the right condition, things get intense. Quiet rooms, serious buyers, no noise, just focused, aggressive bidding. Because they know what it is. They know what it represents. And once they get it, they don't let go. These coins are being locked away, held tightly, because the supply is shrinking, and the future value, it's only getting stronger. Right now, today's market value for this exact coin in extra-fine condition with original surfaces can reach around $140, hundredth. Let that sink in. That's life-changing money, sitting in something people ignore every single day. That's a silent fortune hiding in your pocket, your jar, your drawer. So what should you do? Check the date, 1951. Look for that D mint mark. Study the surface. Is it natural, or has it been cleaned? Look at the details. Are Lincoln's features still sharp? Are the wheat stalks clear and bold? These small details, they change everything. And if you think you've got one, don't guess. Get it professionally graded. That's how you turn a guess into real value. That's how collectors trust what they're buying. But above everything else, do not spend this coin. No matter how ordinary it looks, do not spend it. Because people are doing exactly that. Every single day, losing hidden treasures without even knowing it. And if you think this coin was shocking, you haven't seen anything yet. The next coin, it's on another level entirely. Rarer, more intense, and the kind of coin that collectors are desperately hunting right now. Stay with me, because what's coming next could change everything. Now this is where everything changes. If you made it this far, you already know these coins are hidden wealth. But this one is on a completely different level. Because people are holding it, spending it, ignoring it, every single day, not realizing they're literally giving away a silent fortune. I'm talking about the 1,945 wheat penny with no mint mark. And if you're not paying attention, you could lose life-changing money in seconds. This is not fiction. This is real. And this coin is a hidden treasure that collectors are quietly fighting for. Take a second and go back to 1945 in one of the most intense years in American history. World War II was coming to an end. The economy was under pressure. Resources had been stretched, and the U.S. Mint had just come out of one of the strangest periods ever, where even pennies were made from steel just a couple of years earlier. By 1945, copper had returned, but the system was still under stress. Production was high, demand was massive, and coins were being pushed into circulation fast. That kind of environment creates something powerful. Coins that survive, coins that carry history, coins that become rare without anyone noticing. Now picture this coin in your hand, that light bronze-brown look, smooth, aged, natural, not flashy, not shiny, just real. On the front, Abraham Lincoln faces right. Steady, timeless, in God we trust. Above him, liberty to the left, and the date 1945 stamped on the right. And here's the detail most people miss. There is no mint mark. That means it came out of Philadelphia, but don't underestimate that. Because in this condition, with this look, that absence becomes part of its identity, part of what collectors hunt for. Turn it over, and those wheat stalks rise on both sides, framing 1 cent and United States of America, with a pluribus unum above. It feels classic, almost too simple. And that's exactly why people overlook it. That's why they spend it. That's why they lose it. But here's the truth. This coin is a silent fortune. Feel the weight, about 3.11 grams. Diameter around 19 millimeters. Thickness close to 1.52 millimeters. Made from 95% copper with small traces of tin and zinc, giving it that warm bronze tone that ages over time. And that light brown color you see, that's not damage. That's history. That's natural toning. That's exactly what serious collectors want. And listen closely. Never clean this coin. Not ever. The moment you try to brighten it, polish it, or remove that natural tone, you destroy its value. Collectors don't chase shiny coins, they chase truth. Original surfaces. Untouched history. That's where the real money is. Now think about survival. 1945 was a high mintage year. Millions of coins were released into circulation. But how many survived in fine condition, with original surfaces, without heavy damage, without cleaning, without being worn down to nothing? Very few. Most were used, abused, lost, or destroyed over time. Every year fewer exist. And that's what drives demand. Collectors are watching this coin closely. And when one appears with the right look, the right color, the right detail, auctions get very quiet, very serious, very intense. No noise, just sharp eyes and fast decisions. Because they know, once it's gone, it's gone. And many of them, they're not selling. They're holding, locking these away as quiet wealth, waiting as supply keeps shrinking. And today's market value? Around $180,190 for a fine condition example with the right original look. Let that hit you. That's not small money. That's serious money. That's life-changing wealth, sitting in a coin most people wouldn't even pick up off the ground. So what should you check right now? Look for the date. 1945. Check for no mint mark. Study that color. Is it natural bronze brown, or does it look unnatural and cleaned? Look at Lincoln's details. Are they still visible, even in fine condition? Check the wheat stalks. Are they worn but still clear? These small details, they change everything. And if you think you found one, don't guess. Get it professionally graded. That's how you unlock the real value. That's how collectors trust what they're buying. That's how a simple coin becomes a confirmed fortune. But above all, do not spend this coin. No matter how ordinary it looks, do not spend it. Because people are doing exactly that. Every single day, losing hidden treasures, losing silent fortunes, losing life-changing opportunities without even realizing it. And now you see the truth. These weren't just coins. These were treasures hiding in plain sight. But remember this, there are still more out there, even rarer, even more shocking, coins that could completely change everything if you know where to look. Stay sharp, because the next discovery might already be in your hands.